Assalamu alaikum. This is Mohammad Chaudhry Islam and I'm an instructor of English Base Camp. And you can say this is actually our classroom. And inside this classroom, the students of spoken English batch are practicing by themselves. So what are they practicing and how are they developing by practicing among themselves? Let's check it out today. Well, this is our classroom and as you can see, the students are busy practicing. They are as busy as bees. All the students are practicing in pairs on maybe different topics, or maybe they are discussing about the same topics with their partners. So let's talk to them and let's get to know what are they practicing about. At first I can see Dilshat ma'am and Tasneem ma'am. Hello ma'am, how are you today? Walaikum assalam, how are you today? Alhamdulillah. And Dilshat ma'am, what are you discussing? Can you please share with us? Future is. Okay, and Tasneem, how are you discussing actually? Is it a question answer session? Okay, thank you. Please carry on. Continue, please. Please carry on. And I can see other students as well. They are also discussing among themselves. Obviously, they are using English as a medium of communication. So in this way, the students, they keep practicing and they also gradually develop. So here I can see another pair, and these let me introduce. This is Abid and this is Munni. Hello Abid and Munni, can I draw your attention for a moment? Hello Abid, hello Munni. How are you today? You should ask me how am I. I'm doing good, thank you for asking. So what are you doing? Can you please tell me, Abid? You are talking about Eid. Okay. Can you give us some more information, Munni ma'am? What are you actually doing? Okay, so basically you are practicing tense as well here, but you are not learning any structure, rather you are having conversation. Okay, so this is like a real life learning, right? Okay, thank you. Please carry on. Please carry on. So in this way, students in English Base Camp in every class, they discuss different things rather than learning rules and regulations. They implement in real life conversation. They just get down to speaking, and in this way they develop their skills as well. That will be all for today. Thank you everyone for watching.